Hi, I'm Katherine Hayhoe, a climate scientist and notorious troll blocker online. Today, we are going to be talking about the so-called green scam. The idea that the only reason for climate action is because these shadowy, nefarious people are enriching themselves off green solutions and paying us scientists to boost them. There's this whole idea that, we climate scientists are just raking it in.
Make it rain.
And those philanthropic, altruistic CEOs of big fossil fuel companies, they're just in it for the good of humanity. Aww. Right? No, not so fast. If we really have $7 trillion of fossil fuel subsidies every year, which we do, then why don't green energy companies do the same? Why don't they lobby? Why don't they advocate? Why don't they get politicians to try to slant things in their direction instead?
I don't know. That's a good question.
So we did a little exercise where we looked up the revenues of Exxon, $332 billion in 1 year. Chevron, $190 billion in 1 year. The biggest clean energy company in the world is a Spanish company, $64 billion. After that, the next biggest, 35. The next biggest, 25. They're making 10 times more money. And I mentioned the impacts, $16 million an hour, $140 billion a year of impacts that the fossil fuel companies are not being charged for if you don't have a price on carbon. And then there's the subsidies, which work out to another $1 million per hour.
That is a lot of money.
Coming out of essentially taxpayers' pockets because of all the policies giving them the tax breaks.
What did you say?
Sure. You could say that there's a scam going on, but the scam going on is not a green energy scam. It's actually quite the opposite.